So this is another test for the Powerstik Pro Elite Sweeper. Another application it could be useful for is cleaning up after shot blasting. So I've got a pile on the ground here. Not exactly sure how much is in there, but it feels like about 2 to 3 pounds a shot. And I'm just going to see how much will fit on this Powerstik Pro Elite without it dropping or just until it starts leaving stuff behind. So this magnet is fully packed with rare earth super blue magnets inside the housing here, which means you can wrap debris on all sides of it and it's not going to let anything go. And because the sleeve here has these wear points on them, you can just drag it on a concrete surface and you don't have to worry about damaging the aluminum housing. And then once one side of the surface gets worn down, you can just flip it so you get 4 different wear points before you'll eventually have to order a new sleeve. So let's see how much shot this will pick up, and then I'll empty it out into the bucket there. So you see I got one half of it loaded up here, so I can flip it over, go on the other side, and fill up about just as much as the first side. You'll see it wrapping around on the top of the magnet there, as well as the sides and the bottom. So I can get a pretty good amount of shot on here. And it's going to lose some if you shake it, but this just shows the potential of the magnets. And then once I dump it off in the bucket here, just releasing the little button on the top, pull the sleeve off, drops everything down in a nice pile. And just go back over it again, give it another run. It slides really nicely on these wear bars. So this is something you wouldn't use to do a whole shot blasting cleanup job with. But if you have some shot that's lost in some tight corners or spaces you can't get into with another magnet, this is a great option just to do some detailed work. And it empties quite nicely back into the bucket. So this is the Powerstik Pro Elite with the super blue magnets inside by Blue Streak Equipment.